In this video I will show you how to change bio in Instagram. So first open Instagram. This is the interface Instagram. Go to profile icon, right click. After that edit profile. Here you can change bio profile. So click bio. You can change everything like XYZ. Arrow button press and save your XYZ bio. If you change username, here click. If you name change, here click. So this video about to talk to bio change. So complete bio change. This video, let me back from here. Bio change, you can see XYZ. Guys, follow this step, solve your problem. See you next video. Thanks for watching.